Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to go ahead and generate anime character voiceover on 11 Labs. You just want to come here and click on voices, right? And they basically have a whole library of voices, especially anime ones as well, any style you want. For example, let's go ahead and search anime, and then you will see that they have a lot of anime voices. For example, let's say this one, kawaii. Let's see, what is this?
Hey, I'm Aracita. I might be a little
Yeah, that one is a very typical anime voice, as you can see. Let's see this one. It's going to listen.
Cannot be lonely if you like the person you cannot be lonely if you like the person you're alone with.
That is also a typical male anime voiceover, especially for dubs. Let's go listen to this.
I have never been hurt by anything I didn't say.
Okay, and there you go. So if you want, for example, to go ahead and use this one, right? You can go ahead and add this to your voices, and then you can go ahead and use this, right? So once I click on this, it will basically go ahead and open this up, and then I can just generate this speech. Make sure the model is 11 multilingual v2, stability about 50%, because if you put it too stable, it will sound very monotone. You don't want to do that. Similarity, we'll keep it about 75% if you're using a larger text. Almost 5,000 characters, 4,000 characters, put it about 50%. Okay, you don't want to distort anything. Style exaggeration, keep it at none, at 0. And then speaker boost, this is okay. Let's go ahead and generate this and see what it sounds like. Okay.
Cold wind howled through the abandoned subway station as James stepped, cautiously, onto the cracked tiles, his flashlight flickering.
That's perfect. It literally sounds like an anime voice. Dubbing. Really easy and simple.